Futures Nifty now moving always one day gap up, one day gap down. So this way it is giving erratic move and making the traders to trade with a difficult situation. Okay, so it is in a sideway only, but still let us look into the intraday opportunities. I'm just going to the lower time frame to look into that. Of course, yesterday you all remember that the levels what we gave, it was really working well, and you could see yesterday the two levels what we were looking at only this. So the two levels what we were working, it was moving within the same range for the whole day. It was moving up, down, up, down. So the buying and selling opportunity was continuous for us yesterday. The day is over. But today, if you look into, it's again a gap down. So this gap down is actually it made a gap down and slowly went up, then start falling. So the gap down did not have the sign of strong up move, and it got stopped here. So the current up move is very strongly resisted, and because of today expiry, there could be a there is pressure to close it at the lower end. We will have to be very careful today. The strong resistance is coming at this area now. So this is the closest resistance area. Let me see in the still lower time frame. Yes, this area could be the strong resistance area time being. This could be the strong resistance area time being. So if the price is trading below 9,260, the strong resistance, and you will have to keep selling and buying. If it crosses 9,260, there could be an intermediary uptrend. So currently 9,260 should be the first level of resistance. The second level comes at 9,285 is the next resistance. So this is how we should plan for the day. So if the price crosses 9,260, then that will be another 25 points. This is how we should trade now. The lower level is the day low could be the current support level. 9,185 could be the support. So once that is broken, a new low could be coming up. So the traders should plan to trade keeping these two areas, 9,185 and 9,260. These are the two areas we should keep for our day trading. So quickly we look into this is futures Nifty. Then I look into the levels for other sectors quickly. Futures Nifty for today's trading. Okay, this is the area where people will have to be careful. Yeah, so these two levels we should keep in our mind for trading. Now we look into the sector analysis. We'll start with the banking sector. Let me start with the banking sector. So banking sector, it is showing some kind of strength in the beginning of the day, but it was after that it could not withstand. Now it is moving on a sideway. The gap down impact is now moving towards the bear side. So any breakdown below to this level, that could be a sharp fall. So we should take banking is in the weaker side. Then we will also look into automobile sector. So auto is now showing some strength compared with the banking sector. Now you could see gap up and start moving up. Automobile is looking a bit stronger than banking sector time being. So we should consider auto is looking a bit strong for the day, but overall market still it is on sideway. The next sector I'm taking is FMCG. So the FMCG sector, FMCG is a little more stronger than all other sector till now. So FMCG is now stronger for the day. That's what we should look into till now. So market goes up, FMCG will be the strong bet. Then coming to the pharma sector, so pharma made a gap down, I mean much more stronger than the even FMCG. So pharma sector is showing a lot of strength for the day. So we should consider pharma is showing a lot of strength. So pharma sector is doing very well. So it is a stronger now. So the next sector we will see IT. The IT sector is now, yeah, it is the another weak sector, but comparatively, yeah, better than banking, but still IT is weaker for the day. So IT sector is weaker for the day. That's how we should conclude for the day. The final sector which I want to take is IT sector. I'm sorry, IT we have taken metal. So the metal sector, let me look into the metal. So the metal sector, metal sector is weaker than all other sectors today. So metal is weaker than all other sectors. So metal is the weakest, then banking sector, then pharma and FMCG is doing very well for the day.